Everyone sees the outside, but no one sees the battle inside. That's why most people never change. They look strong, but inside, they are scared. I was like that too. Every morning, I looked in the mirror and said, I will change today, but then I waited. And then I went back to the same old life. I told myself, I'm not ready yet. I need more time. I must wait for the right moment. Time passed. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Nothing changed. Inside, I felt heavy. My dreams looked alive, but my actions were dead. One night, I sat alone in the dark. I looked at my phone, my to-do list, my unfinished plans, and then it hit me. No one is coming to save me. No perfect moment exists. The only moment you have is right now. That night I made a decision.
Not a big one, just a choice.
Today I will start, even if I'm scared. In the morning, I did something small. I wrote one goal. Then I wrote one action, not perfect, not big, just real. Every day I repeated it again and again. Some days were hard. Some days I failed. But I did not stop. Slowly, things changed inside me, outside around me. Everything began to shift. I learned something very important. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you growing. Most people wait for motivation, but success comes from consistency, doing the right thing, even when you don't feel it. You may be watching this right now, afraid, unsure, not ready. But you have one moment you can use, this moment. Change begins when you decide not to wait. If this story inspired you, write down one small action you will take today in the comments. If you want more stories that help you learn English and grow your mindset, subscribe and let's change together.